Create&Design Foam Board Kit by Royal Brites, everything you need in one box. Let's start with the neon poster boards. 3 vibrant sheets in blue, yellow, and pink. Each sheet is double-sided, giving you even more creative possibilities when designing titles, highlights, or background accents. Next, the self-adhesive letters, numbers, and punctuation. With 137 bold pieces, you can write any message clearly. Alongside them, 16 expressive emojis bring personality and fun to your work. You'll also find decorative shapes, numbers, and symbols, all self-adhesive and ready to peel and stick. For a polished, finished look, use the 3 different border designs. They frame your posters beautifully, helping your displays stand out in the classroom or events. And of course, the heart of the kit. 2 large, sturdy foam boards, each measuring 20 by 28 inches. Durable and lightweight, they provide the perfect surface for any creative project, from science fair displays to classroom boards, from arts and crafts to professional presentations. In total, you get 167 pieces, all working together to make your ideas come to life. Just peel, stick, and design. No mess, no hassle, only creativity.